People, get the facts. Watch out for? Watch out for? Make Bush McCain more the same. 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 John McCain equals middle class wage. 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 Bush McCain more the same. Make Bush McCain more the same. The most important issues, or one of them, facing healthcare workers and all working people in the United States of America is healthcare for ourselves and our family. And, you know, it's kind of appropriate we're here meeting just a few days before Halloween, when things tend to get a little scary. But like most Americans, we like to confine our scariness to October 31st in the evening with our kids. And when you look at John McCain's healthcare plan, every single American ought to be afraid of what John McCain wants to do to our healthcare, shouldn't we? Yes! John McCain, for the first time in the history of this country, wants to tax our health care benefits. And when I say that, you say boo. John McCain wants to tax our health care benefits. John McCain voted against health care for our children. John McCain wants to take away state regulations so that insurance companies can cherry pick and make sure that those of us who need health care the most are least likely to get it.
Too many families know that they are only one injury or illness away from economic ruin. Our failed healthcare system is not only hurting families today, and as it is, our failed healthcare system is hurting our families tomorrow, our children, our grandchildren, and those children not yet born. Our failed healthcare system is threatening our economic competitiveness as we move to a global economy with other nations who do not put the price of healthcare on their products. And as the crisis continues, one fact is indisputable. The longer we wait, the worse it gets.
I'm very concerned about Senator McCain's health care plan. His plan could cause 800,000 people in Pennsylvania to lose their coverage. His plan would eliminate the tax benefits employees get who provide health insurance to their workers. Employees who won't be able to afford to provide insurance anymore, and even if they do provide, if McCain plan would make us pay taxes on the benefits. I can't afford that. My co-workers can't afford that. Pennsylvania can't afford that either. Thank you.
I'm glad I could be here today because I have a message for John McCain. I want him to know that I'm going to talk to as many people as I can between now and November 4th, and I hope you all do the same. Go back and talk to your coworkers, talk to your family and friends. They need to know that John McCain's radical health care plan will cause millions of Americans who currently get their health care through their work to lose their coverage and raise taxes on millions more of middle-class Americans. If McCain's health care plan becomes law, families in Pennsylvania could pay almost $1,200 more each year in taxes by 2013. The McCain plan eliminates employer health care tax benefits that enable many businesses, especially small businesses, to provide group insurance to their employees. We need to let people know that tens of millions of Americans with health problems, such as cancer or diabetes, would find it particularly difficult or impossible to find adequate coverage, increasing their medical costs dramatically. Tens of millions of families would eventually pay higher taxes on health premiums, making health care even less affordable than it is now. Our health care system faces deep problems. There are 46 million people without insurance. Costs are rising and increasingly unaffordable, and quality care is inconsistent. But Senator McCain's plan would worsen that disease. You need to go back and not let this disease spread. Thank you.
Watch out for
McCain's healthcare tax.
People,
get the facts.
People,
get the facts.
Watch out for
McCain's healthcare tax.
Come on, watch out for
McCain's healthcare tax.
Make Bush McCain
more the same.
Make Bush McCain
More the same.
Make Bush McCain
More the same.
People,
Get the facts.
people,
Get the facts.
let's watch out for
McCain's healthcare tax.
let's watch out for
McCain's healthcare tax.
people,
Get the facts.
people,
Get the facts.
watch out for
McCain's healthcare tax.
You ready, Michael? And you hear the sound, a little bit of rhythm make the world go round. Whoa. And you hear the sound, a little bit of rhythm make the world go round. Whoa. And you hear the sound, a little bit of rhythm make the world go round. Whoa. And you hear the sound, a little bit of rhythm make the world go round.